Hey everybody, welcome back to the Race Smokehouse and Grill, and today we're going to be taking a real good look at the ZGrills 7002 C2E pellet grill with Wi-Fi. Let's go! So for a little bit now, I've been considering getting a pellet grill. I've never had a pellet grill, never cooked on a pellet grill. I honestly have never even eaten anything off of a pellet grill. But with the popularity of them growing and everybody using them, I thought it had to be a great idea to be able to get one, learn it, and be able to put out some good food on it. So while I was looking, ZGrills happened to reach out and offered me a free grill to try out. But when I did some research, I saw that they did have some great customer service feedback, and they used to actually build for other companies such as Traeger, so they do have a lot of experience in the making of pellet grills, which gives me some comfort when I'm trying something, because I'd like to get a quality grill and I want to cook on a quality grill. So that's why I said, yep, ship it on over. So they sent me the ZGrills 7002 C2E with Wi-Fi, also known as their Backyard Warrior. On their website, this is running at about $650 currently. You could also get this option with no Wi-Fi for about $550. So if you're not a techie guy, you could save $100 and get it with no Wi-Fi. I love that technology, which is one of the reasons that I did decide to jump on this grill. This comes with a 30-day return policy, 3-year warranty, and free shipping when you order it. So I told them, yep, let's do this. They sent it to me, got it within a week. I think it was actually about 4 days. It was pretty quick. I put it together by myself. I recommend having somebody else for the heavy parts, like when you're lifting the body or trying to link the legs to the body. It would have been nice to have a second set of hands, but it's possible to do by yourself. It took me roughly an hour, maybe just over an hour, to put the entire thing together. This thing was boxed phenomenally. Everything in there was pristine. And during the unboxing of this grill, what I did notice was the weight behind some of these, like the door, does look somewhat thin, but when you hold it, you could feel that it's pretty heavy. And it's a nice stainless steel along with the top of the pellet hopper. That's got a great look to it as well. Some of the other things that I noticed while putting it together were how nice the wheels and casters are, which makes this a breeze for transporting around your yard, on your patio, across the grass in your driveway, wherever you're gonna be doing the cooking. These wheels and casters are doing a great job, and I really like them. And again, for a grill at this price point, to get a nice solid door, to get some nice wheels and casters, those are all really nice bonuses. So let's do a quick check of what's inside the cooker. We're gonna start with the fire pod. After we've got it all together, the fire pod is where the pellets get augered to. There's a heating element in there. That'll heat up, burn the pellets. That's where you're gonna get your heat and your smoke from. The inside heat deflectors are also really nice. These are nice and heavy pieces of metal, and I like that there's a nice angle of that heat deflector that deflects any grease or drippings towards the grease pan, which is located on the opposite side of the hopper. It's nice, you can hang a bucket there and all that grease just flows right into there. With that heat deflector during the cooks, I like to keep it nice and clean, and by doing so, it's nice and easy. Just put a piece of aluminum foil down across it. When your cook's done, it's easy enough to just pull off, throw away, put a new piece of aluminum foil down, and put your grates back in, and you're good to go. Talking about the grates, you have 697 total square inches of cooking surface. That's 504 square inches on the bottom rack and 193 on the top rack. So I think you could get 2, possibly 3 briskets on here, depending on the size. Definitely 2, no problem. A third one might be a stretch, but I think it can be done. Definitely 4 pork butts, and that's just on the bottom rack. That's not talking about anything on the top rack either. So now let's move over to the hopper and the controller. The controller is a PID controller, which I hear are becoming more and more popular on pellet grills. To be honest, I have no idea what that means, but I do like the look of it, and I like the controllability of it. If that's a good thing, great. If not, hey, I'm happy with it, because it's easy enough to set your temperature. You hit the button, you turn it to the temperature you want it, you hit the button again, and that's your temperature. On the couple cooks I've done already, it's taken about 10-15 minutes to get up the temperature, which is no time at all in my opinion, which is a very nice feature. The controller also has a feed option, which if you want to get the pellets out of the auger, you hit feed and it'll feed them through so you can get them out if you want to change out your pellets to a different flavor. Makes it easy. This also comes with 2 meat probes that you could plug into the interface here. There is a gasket that you could push it through the door so you're not having the door slam on it. That way you can see the temperature of your meat through the entire cook as well, which I love that. Again, I'm a techie guy and I love checking and tracking the temperatures throughout the cook, so I know what's going on with the meat. Again, this is Wi-Fi enabled and it comes with a great app that makes it super easy to control while you're not around. Or if you're just in the house and you want to check on it, or if you're working in the garage, or you had to run to the store, you could check on it. And if you need to adjust it, turn it down, turn it up, you could do it with a touch of your phone, which again, I love because I'm kind of a techie guy when it comes to everything. So that was one of the main reasons, again, that I decided to go and check out this model. We'll come around to the back of the hopper here where we could take a quick look at the clean out door. That clean out door is really nice. You just slide it over and all the pellets come out. Again, if you want to swap out to a different flavor, if there's a storm coming through and you don't want to worry about getting your pellets damp, you just get them out of there with that slide door, and that makes for easy cleanup to get that hopper clear of pellets. So I've done a couple cooks already. I've done some chicken thighs, I've done some brisket, and a couple other small cooks along the way. I have to say the thighs and brisket came out better than I anticipated. Again, I've always been a stick burner or a Weber Smoky Mountain guy, so getting some quality barbecue off of a pellet grill was pretty impressive to me because I didn't think it could be done, honestly. So we're gonna keep working, try to get better at it, and try to make the best barbecue we can on here. And I'm gonna keep sharing those videos as I try the different cooks on this grill. So some quick final thoughts. For that price point, 650 bucks, you get a pretty solidly constructed grill that has great usability. And again, on those couple cooks that I've used, it stayed within 7 to 10 degrees of my set point for the entire cook, which is amazing. I never had to touch anything, honestly. I come every couple hours, do a spritz or a sauce, go back in, and that's part of the convenience of running a pellet grill, is that it kind of does all the work for you. If you want to find out more information about this grill, I will have an affiliate link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like what we did here today, please hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and check me out on social media. And we'll be seeing you all soon with a bunch of cooks from the ZGrills 7002 C2E series. Thanks again, everybody. Take care. Peace.